What's up everybody, it's me Paige from Judgment Day Fitness. Thank you so much for checking out this video, clicking on the title. I seriously appreciate it, or in some cases letting your autoplay go to the next video. Either way, I'm glad you're here and I hope you decide to stay and get something out of this video. So yes, I know the channel name is Judgment Day Fitness. This is mostly a fitness themed channel, and then when I had testicular cancer I made a lot of videos on that. But right now, a few weeks ago I did say that I wanted to start branching out a little bit into other types of videos. So for example, lifestyle, money, stuff like that, maybe eventually vlogging. But for now, today I'm gonna give you guys 5 things that you can do on the side to make money as a teenager. And you can do it as an adult as well. I just said teenager because most adults, you know, when you work a 9 to 5 or you work 40 hours a week, no one wants to go out and do more work, you know? But either way, I'm not gonna tell you what to do. I'm just gonna tell you how you can do something you wanna do. If you wanna do these 5 things that you can do on the side to make money, then that is awesome. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before we get started on these 5 things you can do on the side, I would just like to offer you guys a quick little plug. I'm really sorry, but you know, come on. So anyways, I am on Instagram and Twitter if you want to follow me there, but also my email is in the description if you'd like to message me on Instagram and Twitter, or you'd like to email me about getting a customized workout program for $25. It used to be $50, but now it's $25, and you get a $5 reward if you successfully reference someone to me. So the customized workout program lasts 10 weeks. You can just start all over again when you're done, and it is customized to your exact needs and whatever you need, any injuries you may have, your schedule. So that's that. And then also, if you would like to subscribe to this channel, check out my other videos. I have a lot of other fitness videos, and I have a lot of other videos like this. They're gonna be branching out from fitness. They're gonna be coming soon. So I'm posting videos every single Wednesday and Saturday, and I hope you guys would like to join me and watch those videos. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you can do is odd jobs. Yes, I know you've probably heard that before, but I just want to come at it with a different approach. So you can go to Craigslist and advertise yourself, or find odd jobs. There's everything on Craigslist. Just try to avoid the sexual stuff, like, oh, I need a companion, you know, just might want to stay away from that. You could also go to this app called Tackle, T-A-K-L. That is also somewhere where you can advertise yourself, or people will advertise for a service they need. There is also Facebook Marketplace. If you have Facebook, they also advertise stuff that they need, or you can advertise yourself there as well. Or you could just post something for your friends, and maybe they'll need something, or they'll know somebody that needs something. Also, you could start your own little odd job business. So for me, for example, I bought a pressure washer like I'd say 4 or 5 years ago. It's lasted me this long, crazy enough. It was like $100, and it's made its own money over like 50 times probably at least. It's made a lot of money just from that one small purchase. I don't even get jobs that consistently, but it's still made a lot of money. First job probably paid for it and then some. So that's just something to keep in mind. Do some odd jobs. So whether it's pressure washing like me, whether it's just cleaning, whether it's moving stuff, whether it's refurbishing, I don't know, whatever you can think of, whatever you can come up with, go for it. There's always the money, there's always a niche for something. So if you want to make money from something, you just got to exploit that niche. Alright, so the second thing you can do to make money is you can make a YouTube channel. Look at that, I'm practicing what I preach. So when I tell my friends this, they give me 3 excuses. The first one is I don't have enough time. Well, pick a time when you have enough time and film videos ahead of time. So let's say you have a whole day to yourself, make 5 videos, and then you can schedule them to come out on every single Wednesday for the next 5 weeks. Okay, as long as you're posting like once a week, that's pretty good, you know, depending on what you're doing for the YouTube channel, of course. The second thing they tell me is, oh, I don't have the editing software or camera. You don't need a camera. I have one just because YouTube started giving me money, so I decided to invest a little bit more into my YouTube career. And so you could just use your iPhone, and they say I don't have the editing software. Well, it's not hard to find free editing software online. If you have a MacBook or any kind of Apple product, even Apple iPhones, you can put this editing software on there. It's called iMovie. That's what I started off editing my videos with. And the third thing that they tell me is usually, oh, I don't know what I'd post on there. I'm not entertaining enough or whatever. Now with that, okay, you don't need to post like vlogs or any of what I'm posting. You know, you don't need to post videos like these. You can post whatever really, because have you seen like reaction videos? There's people that just react to stuff, okay, that you've probably already seen. They react to this stuff and they get millions of views. Or there's also compilation videos like the win fail compilations, or the skateboarding fails or skateboarding wins, or whatever compilation videos. Okay, you just download some videos, put them together, put them out there. If they're usually over 10 minutes, YouTube will let the algorithm favor them. So it's really easy to get going with a channel like that as well. So really, it doesn't take much to make a good YouTube channel that's successful, and there's plenty of other videos on tips to make a good YouTube channel. I only have like 5.6 thousand subscribers right now, so I'm not gonna get up here and tell you how to run a YouTube channel. So that's way number 2. All right, so the third thing that you can do is buying and reselling. Now, this is something I've only recently taken interest in, so I haven't tried it yet, but I have seen it work for other people. So what you can do is like places like Goodwill, they will sell shirts at a lower price than it's actually worth because they just want to get rid of it and they want to make their money because they got it for free anyways. So stuff like that. Also like Facebook Marketplace or garage sales, people just want to get rid of the stuff, so you could definitely undercharge it or undercut them, you know, and be like, oh well, I only have a 20 on me, you know. So stuff like that you could resell it online, or something you know the value of. So if you're interested in coins, like coin collecting, you know, you could buy and resell those coins for a higher price, stuff like that. Whatever you know, like video games, maybe baseball cards, football cards, stuff like that. There is a market or there's an opportunity to make money there, and that's just something you could do to take advantage of it, just saying. All right, so the fourth thing you can do, and probably this should have been the fifth thing because of the name, but you can sign up for Fiverr. There's an app for it and there's a website for it. You can make an account and advertise yourself on there. Basically, it's like Craigslist for internet tasks. So for example, someone might ask you to do some graphic designing, so they might ask you to edit a video for them, or they might ask you to build them a thumbnail for their YouTube video or something along those lines. And prices you can charge anything really, as long as someone actually bites and takes the price that you offer them. So you don't need to be able to do graphic design or anything along those lines either, though. You could advertise yourself as a model or a spokesperson or an actor or something, and so they'll send you a product and you go, hey, I endorse this product, or they'll send you a product and you take a picture with it. Like that. So you don't need a special type of skill, but if you do develop a special type of skill on there, for example graphic design, I've seen people make a lot of money with graphic design. It is absolutely crazy, and I wish I paid more attention in my Photoshop class in high school, but oh well, here we are making YouTube videos. So that's just something to think about. Develop your skill, find a niche, and expand on it. Alright, so the fifth thing you can do is online surveys. Yes, you've probably heard of it before, but the thing is, you need to make sure that whatever company or website you are going on to do these online surveys for is actually legit. Read the reviews, make sure they're not advertised. So if you see someone with like really good camera skills going, oh yeah, this is great, I've made a lot of money off it, look at how much money I've made off of this, it's probably an actor or something. Just don't pay attention to that. Just find a legit review. Probably on YouTube you can find a legit review. So look up, let's say it's SurveyMonkey. Okay, let's say SurveyMonkey is it real? And so anyways, you can go on there and you can do those surveys, but just of course make sure that they are actually giving you cash and not like, I don't know, points to some game or something like some websites do. So just make sure it's legit. There's plenty of scams out there, and I don't want you guys to fall for any of them. So with that being said, that's 5 things you can do to make money on the side as a teenager or as an adult really. But I appreciate you guys coming out to the video, and I hope you learned something and found the video entertaining, and I will see you guys next time because I'm posting videos every single Wednesday and Saturday. So until then, be sure to subscribe, check out my other videos, like this video, comment on this video, do the same for my other videos, because I'd love to hear from you guys, by the way. If you have any questions or anything you want to say or any other ideas for making money that you'd like to put in the description below, I would love to hear from you guys. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope I see you this Saturday when I post my next video. Bye.